Hey guys, this is Kistenfeger. I'm the co-owner of Mucho Amor Cocktail Schmiede, and I'm also the global brand ambassador for Altos Tequila. I'm very pleased to be part of the Sommtable masterclass about fermenting foods. And today we're gonna learn how to do ferments. It's actually easier than you think. And you don't have to be afraid of if you follow certain rules which you're gonna learn in this masterclass. To get it started and to make it more interactive, we will do together our first ferment, which will be a ginger beer. So, it's actually easier than you think. You don't have to be afraid if you follow the rules you will learn on this masterclass. To start with your first ferment, we will do a ginger beer together. Only need a couple of lemons, fresh organic ginger, you need sugar cane, and you need a flip cap bottle and also another jar to get it started. You will also learn the beginner ideas and tips on how to do kombucha and pickles and a couple of other ferments. I hope you're gonna join this masterclass and see you soon. Love you all.